Assalamualaikum. My name is Muniatul, metric number 20127992. In this video, my friends and I will present briefly about our welding task.
My name is Nurul Aisha binti Shahlan 2018128. What is welding? Welding is a fabrication process whereby two or more parts are fused together by means of heat, pressure or both, forming a joint as the parts cool. We can use either electric welding or chemical welding. For this process, we choose industrial sewing machine stand. For dimension for part A, the height is 50.5, width is 3.4 and length is 11.4. For part B, the height is 5.7, width is 4.5 and length is 49. All the dimensions are in centimeters.
This object is made of steel. The type of welding used is shielded metal arc welding and it is connected by using a T-joint welding.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Safa binti Muhammad Nasir 2019272 and I'm going to explain on the defect and the cause of it. So if you look in the red circle on the figure, there is a gap or a hole which is not filled with the molten metal. This type of defect called incomplete fusion. The incomplete fusion might be occur when we put too low heat during the welding. Improper bit position might also be the cause for this defect. It can also be happen when the angle of the joint is too low. That's all from us. Thank you for the time.